Where to find the best sites. Things to do while traveling. Hello. The best internet resources about fun things to do when you are rebuilding a relationship. These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about fun things to do when you are rebuilding a relationship is www.marriagesherpa.com. See the page titled How to Rebuild the Love Marriage Sherpa. Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site rebuildarelationship.com, especially the page Rebuild a Relationship Repair Advice. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site bighow.net. The web page Fun Things to Do When You Are Rebuilding a Relationship at. This is the link.